Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Group, and we're just here inside the Sourcing Investments platform. We're looking at current deals that are available in the UK, throughout the UK. There are hundreds of deals on this platform, and I'm going to talk to you about a few of the newest ones. So just for information, if you're interested in these or any other deals in the UK, then contact me. That's Alan at Alpus Group on 07539141257 or 0333224127. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Of course, if you're calling from outside the UK, you need to add +44 to the front of those numbers and drop the 0. So it's +44 7539141257 or +44 33332241257. So let's have a look at the first of these new deals here. This is a two-bedroom house in Liverpool. The purchase price is 105,000, fair market value 105,000. Gross yield is 7.52%, suitable for buy-to-let strategy. This is a 6-bedroom house in London. Purchase price is 640,500. Fair market value is 880,000. Gross yield is 10.9%. Suitable for multiple strategies. It's got permission to convert into a 6 to 8 bedroom HMO. It's got a projected flip margin of 239,500. That's a gross flip profit of 37.39%. Gross yield is 10.9%. Illustrative ROI is 171.92%. So deposit required is 192,150. So get in touch if you're interested in this property. Its price is negotiable and it's actually off market at the moment. So although I'm talking to you here about it, you won't find this advertised on Rightmove or Zoopla or on the market. So let's just go back, have a look at some more deals. Just loading here. By the way, I went through all the distressed properties. That's about 200 properties on a video yesterday, which I posted to the channel. So we just looked at this one in London. There's another 2-bedroom house in Liverpool, £75,000, fair market value £90,000. Gross yield is 9.06%, so it's 15,000 below market value. There's a 3-bedroom flat in Leeds. Purchase price is 100,000, fair market value 120,000. Gross yield is 9%. So we'll have a look at some more properties here. These are all relatively small properties, but there are several property deals on this platform, Sourcing Investments. So we'll have a look at those a little bit later. We've looked at those 3 there. So this is a 3-bedroom below market value flat for sale in Leeds, postcode LS15, suitable for multiple strategies. Purchase price is 100,000. Fair market value is 120,000. Gross yield is 9%. Illustrative ROI is 32.63%. We've got a 2-bedroom house in Liverpool, postcode L9. Suitable for buy-to-let strategy. Purchase price is 75,000. Fair market value is 110,000. Gross yield is 8.49%. Illustrative ROI is 35.68%. We've got a 2-bedroom house in Liverpool, postcode L20. Suitable for buy-to-let strategy. Purchase price is 80,000. Fair market value is 90,000. Gross yield is 8.12%. Illustrative ROI is 20.61%. This is a 2-bedroom house in Liverpool. The vendor is looking for a quick sale. in Liverpool, postcode L13, purchase price is 85,000, fair market value is 100,000. So it's 15,000 below market value. Gross yield is 8.09%. Illustrative ROI is 17.57%. We've got a 2-bedroom house in Liverpool, postcode L6, suitable for buy-to-let strategies. Purchase price is 80,000, fair market value 95,000. Gross yield is 8.71%. Illustrative ROI 22.97%. 2-bedroom house in Liverpool again, postcode L8, purchase price is 105,000, fair market value 125,000, gross yield is 7.71%, illustrative ROI is 23.79%. So we've got several other houses here. 3-bedroom house in Nottingham, purchase price 160,000, fair market value 190,000, gross yield 5.06%, illustrative ROI 7.83%. And we've got a beautiful renovated house in Sheffield from a motivated seller. It's an HMO and it's high cash flowing. So this purchase price is 170,000, fair market value is 170,000, gross yield is 14.6%, illustrative ROI 35.87%. 2-bedroom house in Doncaster, purchase price is 70,000, fair market value 77,000, gross yield is 9.43%, illustrative ROI is 25.93%. Page is actually frozen here. We got a little bit of an internet problem, but what I can explain to you is that on this platform, Sourcing Developments, we've got access to several hundred deals, and some of them are development deals. There are some land deals and also some commercial to residential conversions. We haven't got only access to this platform. We've got several other sources of deals. So if you're interested in land development or commercial to residential conversions, if you're interested in hotel development, then we have sites in that niche as well. So there are several niches that we're active in just at the moment, which are holiday lets and serviced accommodation, hotel development. So this is purchasing existing rundown or inefficient hotels and remodeling them, increasing the letting area, automating them, systemizing them, and essentially making them a more profitable model. And we have deals all over the UK in that niche. We've got commercial to residential conversions in the Southeast and in the Midlands. We can also get them in other parts of the country as well. So anywhere in the UK, we can source these sort of properties, land development deals, commercial to residential, hotel, hotel type projects, and looks like we've lost Sourcing Investments. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We've got numerous other sources of properties. Sourcing Investments is back, so we can have a look at some of the others. Let's look at development projects on Sourcing Investments. And see what we can filter out here. So this is a 4-bedroom house in Christchurch, that's in Dorset. So it's got a motivated seller, it's good for capital growth, it's a development project, suitable for multiple strategies. you can either refurbish or build new. So the purchase price is 750,000. The fair market is 1.5 million. Projected flip profit is 750,000. Let's actually have a look at this one. Yeah, so this is the location. It's by the sea in Christchurch, so it's a lovely location. We'll have a look at some of the photographs of the site. By the marina there. Waterside location. This is the plot plan. More photographs of the location. Okay, so if you're interested in this project, then if you speak to me, that's Alan at Alpus Group, 4-bedroom house in Christchurch, suitable for redevelopment, either refurbish existing or build new. There's a potential flip profit of £750,000 on this one. So we'll go back to some other properties, view properties suitable for development. So we're in the filter, so we're looking for development properties, price range up to 10 million. And we can filter out different sort of categories, but we just looked at this one in Christchurch. Here's another one. It's a 12-bedroom property in Bournemouth, postcode BH1. The purchase price is 825,000. The fair market value is 2.5 million. Let's have a look at a bit more detail on this one. It's a motivated seller on this project. It's a 12-bedroom block of flats in Bournemouth. This is the location. It's near the seafront, as you can see. And the headline figures, purchase price 825,000. The fair market value 2.5 million. This is the plot plan of the block of flats. That's the elevations. So it's on the market. It's not part of a portfolio. It's a block of flats in postcode Bournemouth BH1. This is the area information about Bournemouth, a coastal resort town on the south coast in the Bournemouth, Christchurch and Poole district of Dorset, England. The town has a population of 183,491 of 200,011 census, making it the largest town in the county. The town is part of the Southeast Dorset conurbation, which has a population of 465,000. This particular site is 15-minute walk from the railway station. Here's more information about the particular site. It's a development investment opportunity in a SPV with stamp duty savings that can be made. Planning has been granted for 10 additional flats to be built on the 4th and 5th floors, which is currently airspace. 4th floor to comprise 8 one-bedroom flats, 2 flats with additional internal rooms, and 5th floor is two-bedroom penthouses. Is the property lettable in its current state? Yes, immediately. The purchase price is £825,000. The fair market value, which has got a caution attached to it, is 2.5 million. So it's important for investors that this is the source's estimate of the property value after purchase and value added. So this has got to be validated, and I haven't personally looked at this one to validate that one yet. But this looks interesting. It's a leasehold property, 125 years remaining on the lease, 12 bedrooms, 10 reception rooms, 10 bathrooms, shower rooms. So once due diligence is completed, we can look at the next steps with this one. Renovation information, well, it's not renovation. This is new build airspace requirement, airspace development. So a summary of the key data is that the purchase price is £825,000. There's a sourcing fee of £7,000 payable. The property is on the open market. However, a specific opportunity or strategy has been identified by the sourcer. Legal costs estimate is £5,000. So that's one that may be of interest to you in Bournemouth. So let's go back and have a look at some other development opportunities, all within the Sourcing Investments platform. So this is filtering for development, up to £10 million, development. So we've looked at these two here, Christchurch, Bournemouth. Let's have a look at this one here in Southampton. This is from a motivated seller. It's a buy to let. It's a 15-bedroom block. Price is 1.65 million, fair market value 1.75 million, 15-bedroom block of flats in Southampton. Suitable for multiple strategies. Here's the elevation of the building. This is internal. Obviously, they're occupied. Doesn't look too bad condition. Parking underneath. Okay, so we're back to just a few photographs. So let's have a look at this property reference 458007041. It's on the market. Is it part of a portfolio? No, it's a block of flats. Potential target demographics, key workers, social, investors, professionals in postcode SO15. This is the area information. English city of Southampton is located within the county of Hampshire and has a population of approximately 250,000. This is about 15 minutes walk from the train station. This is an exciting investment opportunity to acquire an established apartment block comprising 15 apartments made up of 12 studio bedroom apartments and 3 one-bedroom apartments, as well as secure underground parking, accommodating 16 parking spaces. All the apartments are currently rented out and achieving in the region of £80,000 in rental income per annum. So the rental income is £6,666 per month. The purchase price is 1.65 million. Fair market value, according to the sourcer, is 1.75 million. And it's negotiable, so they're open to offers. So although it says 1.65 million, that's essentially a guide price. And what you're buying is a freehold block. 15 bedrooms, 15 reception rooms, 15 bathrooms, shower rooms. This is one I'll come back to and have a closer look at, particularly as the price is negotiable. And refurbishment is not required. Summary of key data, 1.65 million, sourcing fee is 14,000. What's included in the sourcing fee? Sourcing of the property, reason for the sale, properties on the open market. However, a specific opportunity or strategy has been identified by the sourcer. Annualized rental income, £79,992, legal costs £3,000, rental income estimate £6,666, letting management charge 10%, gross yield is 4.85%. So that's another development opportunity in Southampton. Let's go back and have a look for some other development opportunities. We've looked at 3 as well as a series of standard buy-to-let or HMO type properties already. So let's have a look at the filter. Development. So we've looked at these 3 here, and we've got another development in Preston, below market value, postcode PR1, purchase price at 160,000, fair market value 450,000, projected flip profit is 97,500. Gross yield is 8.17%, illustrative ROI 39%. Land with planning permission. This is a motivated seller. It's a flip opportunity. The purchase price is 295,000. The fair market value is 700,000. Gross yield is 7.73%. Illustrative ROI is undefined. We've got a 2-bedroom house, suitable for multiple strategies, £100,000 purchase price, fair market value £550,000, projected flip profit 345,500, gross yield is 8.8%. We've got land in the West Midlands, purchase price 1.2 million, fair market value 14.7 million. Gross yield is 10.28%. Illustrative ROI is undefined. So that's quite a big margin there. Let's have a look at that one. So freehold purchase. We haven't got any photographs of this property, but right, I need to get some more information on this property. I can't actually look at the details here without going through the second stage, except we know that it's on the market. We've got a property reference. It's part of a portfolio. It's a land sale, not a building sale. Area information. It's got a high population, good transport links, close to city centres and motorways. Property details, right, a freehold parcel of land extending to 0.79 acres with benefit of granted planning permission, comprising the conversion of a former building to 12 apartments and a new additional block comprising 18 apartments. Ground floor phase 1 is already in process. Planning is revived for 30 apartments, 28 2-bedroom apartments and 2 1-bedroom apartments, 12 apartment conversion to the existing building and an additional new block of 18 apartments totaling 30 apartments. There's scope to increase this number should anyone wish to demolish the existing building and increase it to a total of 42 apartments. Section 106 does not apply to this land, so that's unusual. The property is not lettable in its current state. The rental income is currently 37.59%. The purchase price is 1.2 million. Fair market value, according to the sourcer, is 14.7 million. So obviously this needs to be reviewed for due diligence because, of course, although there's a potential for development, we need to take into account the costs of development and also the market value of the flats once they're actually constructed. And they're open to offers on the purchase price. So 1.2 million is negotiable. Renovation information. Renovation estimate is 3.19 million. Renovation contingency 290,000. Renovation time frame 78 weeks. These are estimated costs, so they need to be validated. Demolition of existing building and renovation of 42 apartments. Cost of works 2.1 million. Renovation of existing building into apartments 800,000. So summary of key data. Purchase price 1.2 million, sourcing fee £5,000. What's included in the fee? Sourcing of the property Properties on the open market, however, a specific strategy has been identified by the sourcer. £451,080 is the annualised rental income, legal costs £2,000, rental income estimate 37,590, lettings management charge 20%, gross yield 10.28%, renovation estimate 3.19 million. Well, this is possibly an interesting project in the West Midlands if you're interested in investing in that area, and it's got potential for a lot of development profit, but subject to further due diligence. So I'm going to call it a day on this deal clinic because I've got other commitments today. So if you're interested in these or any other deals anywhere in the UK or even in Europe, because we've got a European company which can operate throughout the European Union, then contact me. That's Alan at Alpus Group on 07539 141257. That's +44 7539 141257. If you're calling from outside the UK, you can call me on 0333 224 1257 from within the UK, or +44 333 224 1257 from outside the UK. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. So that's all for today's deal clinic, and I'll publish this video later, and also we've rescheduled our deal clinic to occur on a Wednesday midweek, so we'll be dropping the Friday deal clinics and making them Wednesday from next week onwards. We'll also publish other videos with current deals like distressed properties, other different sorts of deals that we're aware of. Okay, so that's all from me, and we'll see you at the next deal clinic. Cheers for now.